once again, welcome back with one of the most probable and vital question which I am going to discuss of your class 10 mathematics based on the concept of arithmetic progression. My dear students, in this class I have vividly explained one of the standard problem, vital problem which mostly used to come in your CBSE exam using two different methodology, two interesting methodology has been discussed here. So I hope it will help you and guide you in solving a similar kind of problem using the two different concepts. And you can use any concept while solving a problem. But you should know what are the different methodology which can be used to solve a problem. That is the most important factor as a math student. Okay, let's see the problem here. The sum of n terms of an AP is 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. You have to find out the n term and 20 term. Look at the solution. It is given that the sum of n terms of an AP Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2, which is a quadratic polynomial in variable n. And we know, according to important properties of AP, any quadratic polynomial is always indicate the sum of n terms, and any linear polynomial always indicate the general term of the AP. So any quadratic polynomial always indicate what? The sum of n terms of an AP. This is one of the important properties of the arithmetic progression. All of you know. Yes, any quadratic polynomial is the sum of n terms of AP. Once again note down this property. And you have to find out the n term, the general term of the AP, and also 20th term. So Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2, it is given, and you have to find out n term of the AP and 20th term. So dear students, let us take when n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, by putting the value of 1 in the expression Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 10 by 2, we shall get S1, which is the first term, which is A1, which is 5 into 1 square by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2, which is 8 by 2. Okay, and after cancellation we shall get, it will be, here we can cancel 2 4 8, and it will be 4. Thus the first term of the AP A1 is equal to 4. Similarly, when n is equal to 2, we shall get the sum of first two terms of the AP, which is S2, and S2 is equal to A1 plus A2, sum of the first two terms. In place of n, you write down 2, which is 5 into 2 raised square by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 2, which is 5 into 4 by 2 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Let us cancel. Here 2 2 4, and here 2 will be cancelled. After cancellation we will get 5 into 2 plus 3, which is 10 plus 3, which is 13. Thus the sum of the first two terms A1 plus A2 is equal to 13. Since A1 is equal to 4, so 4 plus A2 is equal to 13, and A2 is the second term, which is 13 minus 4, which is 9. Thus the second term of the AP, which is 9. Thus first term A is equal to 4, second term A2 is equal to 9. Now you have to find out the common difference. The common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is 9 minus 4, which is 5. Thus the first term A is equal to 4 and the common difference D is equal to 5. Now you can find out the general term of the AP, which is the n term of the AP, using the formula A plus n minus 1 whole into D. So which is 4 plus n minus 1 whole into 5, which is 4 plus 5n minus 5, which is 5n plus 4 minus 5 after arrangement. Thus the n term of the AP is 5n minus 1. This is what you have to find out. Clearly 5n minus 1 is a linear polynomial, so it must be the general, it must be, okay, the linear polynomial, it means it is an arithmetic progression, because understand, any general term of an AP is always an arithmetic progression. All of you know. So after finding the general term an is equal to 5n minus 1, we can find out 20th term, which is 5 into 5n minus 1. So in place of n you can write 20. It will be 5 into 20 minus 1, 100 minus 1, which is 99. Thus we get, okay, the general term of the AP is 5n minus 1 and 20th term is what? 99. Understand? This is another alternative interesting methods which I am going to explain for you for the same particular problem with a different methodology. All of you know, if the sum of n terms of an AP Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 given, then you can find out the n term using the formula, okay, an is equal to Sn minus 1. Note down this problem. It is one of the important formula, okay, an is equal to Sn minus 1. Okay, so Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 already given, and you have to find out Sn minus 1, which is 5 whole into n minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 3 whole into n minus 1 whole divided by 2. So n minus 1 whole square, we can use the identity, which is 5 whole into n square minus 2n plus 1 by 2 plus 3 whole into n minus 1 by 2. So it will be 5 whole into n square minus 2n plus 2 plus 3 whole into n minus 1 by 2 after taking the LCM. Thus, it will be 5 into n square, 5n square minus 5 multiplied 2 is, okay, minus 10n plus into plus plus 5 1 is 5. Similarly, 3 is multiplied with n, which is plus 3n. 3 is multiplied with minus 1, which is minus 3. Thus, after removing the bracket, we shall get 5n square minus 10n plus 5 plus 3n minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Here, you will get 5n square minus 10n plus 3n plus 5 minus 3 by 2, which is 5n square minus 7n plus 2 whole divided by 2. Thus, we got Sn minus 1 is equal to 5n square minus 7n plus 2 whole divided by 2. Okay. Understand? So, Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 it is given, and we got Sn minus 1 is equal to 5n square minus 7n plus 2 whole divided by 2. Understand? Now, we have to find out the general term of the AP, n term of the AP, which is an. Using the formula, note down this formula, Sn minus 1. The value of Sn is 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2 minus of the value of Sn minus 1 is 5n square minus 7n plus 2 whole divided by 2. Now you say, you can take the LCM using the bracket word, it will be 5n square plus 3n by 2 minus of 5n square minus 7n plus 2 whole divided by 2. Again you can take the LCM of both the expression. It will be 5n square plus 3n minus of 5n square minus 7n plus 2 whole divided by 2. Thus, after removing the bracket, it will be 5n square plus 3n minus 5n square plus 7n minus 2 here, minus in plus minus, minus in minus plus, minus in plus minus 2. Okay, and here we can cancel. We can cancel here plus 5n square minus 5n square. After cancellation, we will get 3n plus 7n minus 2, which is 10n minus 2 whole divided by 2. Thus, n term n is equal to 10n minus 2 divided by 2. And you can take the common factor, 2 as a common factor, okay, from the numerator, and it will be 2 whole into 5n minus 1 whole divided by 2. Again, student, we can cancel here. Okay, and here you can cancel 2 can be cancelled, and after cancellation you will get a, okay, the general term an is equal to 5n minus 1. This is what you have to find out, which is a linear equation. So it is clearly an arithmetic progression, because any general term, any linear equation, okay, is the general term of the AP. Thus, the general term of the AP an is equal to 5n minus 1. Okay, now you can find out the 20th term by taking n is equal to 20. Thus, the 20th term is equal to 5 into 20 minus 1. which is 100 minus 1, which is 99. Thus, in both the cases, in both the methodology, okay, we understood that the n term of the AP is 5n minus 1 and its 20th term is 99. I hope you can understand, you can apply different kind of methodology while solving the similar kind of problem. And it will help you and guide you, okay, to solve the different kind of problem. Okay, here is the assignment for you. Look at the assignment and try for the assignment. Okay, thank you for your interest and eagerness toward the class.